We did our calendar?
Yes!
Now we are going to do our problem solving activity. This is it. Mouse. A mouse problem. Who can tell me if they can remember what a mouse problem was? Looking for quiet hands. I'm looking for quiet hands. Kaylani, what is a mouse problem?
A small problem.
You can what?
Handle it on your own.
Handle it on your own. Thank you, Brandon. Kiss your brain. What is this one?
Elephant!
An elephant. Now I'm looking for a quiet friend with their hand raised nicely who can tell me what an elephant problem is. Grayson, what is an elephant problem?
When somebody kicks you.
When somebody kicks you, what happens?
You tell a teacher.
You tell a teacher. So I'm going to pass some sticks around. Everyone's going to get a mouse and an elephant.
Stop.
I'm going to show you guys some cards. And you have to tell me whether you think it's a mouse problem or an elephant problem. So sit them down in front of you. Sit them down in front of you. Someone is calling you a silly name. Nana boo boo, you're a chicken nugget. Is that a mouse problem or an elephant problem? Hold up. What would you do if someone called you a silly name? Our friend Emmanuel said we can look at the solution chart. And could you tell me what would you do if someone called you a silly name? What solution would work best for you?
Ignore.
Ignore. High five, buddy. You can ignore the problem. But what happens if they keep calling you names? If they won't stop calling you,
Please stop.
you can say, please stop. But what if that doesn't work? Then what do?
Tell the teacher. Tell the teacher.
Tell the teacher. Oh my gosh, you made me kiss your brain. Uh-oh. We're reading the Abiyoyo book, and there is a ripped page in the book. Someone ripped open Abiyoyo. So what could you do? Is that a mouse problem or an elephant problem? Oh, you sit up. Is that a mouse problem or an elephant problem? What would you do? What would you do? If the book is ripped, what could we do? You can get the teacher to help. And Miss Candy, what do you think Miss Candy's going to do when I find that ripped book? Take it to the book doctor.